Pranam, Jai Gurudev. Good evening, everybody. How is everyone? We are in tier 2, tier 4 lockdown. Some people have anxiety. Some people are okay with it. Many people are not okay with it. Acceptance is a big thing. We just have to accept it, that it is for the better of all. So welcome to you all to the weekly session of Rishi Chintanna Sanidhyama. Our weekly sessions, empowering thoughts based on Param Pujya Gurudev, Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya Ji, the founder of All World Gayatri Parivar. So last week we did Anandni Shodhma. This week we are going to read about Pehla Apo, Pachi Medvo. First give and then you achieve. એ પ્રશ્ન વિચારણીય છે કે મહાપુરુષો પોતાની પાસે આવનારો પાસે સદૈવ યાચના શા માટે કરે છે? મનન કર્યા પછી મને સમજાયું કે ત્યાગથી વધારે મોટો પ્રત્યક્ષ અને તરત ફળ આપનારો બીજો કોઈ ધર્મ નથી. ત્યાગની કસોટી માનવીના ખરા ખોટા સ્વરૂપને દુનિયાની સામે રજૂ કરે છે. મનમાં જામેલા કુસંસ્કારો અને વિકારોના બોજને હલકો કરવા માટે ત્યાગથી વધારે સારું બીજું કોઈ સાધન નથી. પરમ પૂજ્ય ગુરુદેવ is talking about sacrifice. If you really want to know the true character of a person, then we can gauge it by the sacrifices they make in their life. And what does a sacrifice do? Sacrifice actually is a cleanser. When we sacrifice in our life, it gets rid of all the vices and the bad layers that we accumulate on our soul every life. So by sacrificing in our life, it is a big bonus because it has the property of cleansing the bad layers from our soul. જો તમે દુનિયા પાસેથી કંઈક મેળવવા ઈચ્છતા હોય, વિદ્યા, બુદ્ધિ, ગમે તે પ્રાપ્ત કરવા ઈચ્છતા હો, તો ત્યાગ કરો. Param Pujya Gurudev is saying, if you wish to achieve knowledge, wisdom, any such virtues in life, then learn to sacrifice, because sacrifice is a first stepping stone of our learning process. ગાંઠે બાંધેલું કંઈક છોડો. કોઈ વસ્તુ લૂંટના માલની જેમ મફતમાં મળતી નથી. આપો. તમારી પાસે પૈસા, રોટી, વિદ્યા, શ્રદ્ધા, સદાચાર, ભક્તિ, પ્રેમ, સમય, શરીર, જે કાંઈ હોય તે છૂટા હાથે દુનિયાને આપો. બદલામાં આપને અનેક ગણું મળશે. Param Pujya Gurudev is saying that whatever you have, try to give that to the society, to the people in the world around you. And may that be material things, may that be knowledge, may that be whatever it is within your power to give to other people. When we give, we receive, and we receive more. ગૌતમ બુદ્ધે રાજ સિંહાસનનો ત્યાગ કર્યો. ગાંધીજીએ પોતાની વકીલાત છોડી, પરંતુ એમણે જે છોડ્યું એનાથી વધારે મળવ્યું. Param Puja Gurudev is saying, Lord Buddha, he sacrificed his kingdom. Mahatma Gandhiji, he gave up his career of law. And these high personalities, whatever they sacrificed, they got a lot in return. And we all know that. વિશ્વકવિ રવિન્દ્રનાથ ટાગોર પોતાની એક કવિતામાં કહે છે કે તેણે હાથ ફેલાવીને મારી પાસે કંઈક માંગ્યું. મેં મારી જોડીમાંથી અન્નનો એક દાણો એને આપી દીધો. સાંજે મેં જોયું કે જોડીમાં એવડો જ એક સોનાનો દાણો મોજૂદ હતો. હું ધ્રુસકે ને ધ્રુસકે રડ્યો કે મારું સર્વસ્વ શા માટે ના આપી દીધું કે જેનાથી હું ભિખારીમાંથી રાજા બની જાત. Param Puja Gurudev has set such a beautiful example here. And the example he has given is of the poet Sri Ravindranath Tagore, who has mentioned in one of his poetry, saying, somebody asked for a grain. The person gave the grain, the last grain that he had in his possession. By giving that last grain without thinking about himself, in the evening he saw that instead of the grain, God had replaced the grain with a golden coin. So the person thought, I wish I had more and I had given more, because if I had done that, I would have got a lot more gold coins and I would have become a very wealthy person. So the thought to churn is sacrifice, give to receive. And it is so true. Sometimes we all are so attached to things that it is very difficult to give. Sometimes we give in the wrong places. It is also very important that we help the needy people. We don't need to help people who already have a lot of things. We need to help people who need. I hope you find this Rishi Chintan of today useful. Being in Tier 4, Christmas round the corner, a lot of people are quite upset, they are sad. Let's try to look something positive in this. Let us try to accept the situation the way it is right now. And we all are just looking out for the safety of each other. Stay well, stay safe, stay blessed. Try to smile, try to be happy, try to do something nice, even if you are indoors. Om Shanti. See you soon again in the next session. Have a lovely Christmas. And I'm trying to arrange an evening of Antakshari. And I'll be sending out the link to some groups and some friends. If you have friends and family who might be interested in joining us, then please do join us. I'm trying to arrange this for Wednesday, 23rd of December in the evening from 8 to 9:30 p.m. so that people can join after the dinner time. Take care. Thank you for watching here and being here. Om Shanti.